Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to delete a product in the Zoho CRM via Nodejs API. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the delete API. So let's use that function. So here we have our delete product. Okay, by ID, let's copy this function and we have to pass the delete product by ID. So here we have the update product. Let's comment this. Oh, it's deleted. No worries. So here we have, you have to just replace with this because already we have the product ID we have added. So you have to just copy this product ID and use it. So currently if I just reload this one, you can see that the product exists. If I delete it, it will not. Okay, so let's try to save this and let's run this. Okay, so here we have this and it's deleted. If I just reload this, where it goes in the recycle bin, check the recycle bin. So here we have the products type. This is the product name. Okay, very easy. So let's dive into the code level. What exactly we have done. So we have calling the API, that is delete CRM v2 products, and in the headers we have to pass the authorization access token. In the IDs section, we can pass the multiple array of IDs, okay, to delete. After that, if it is successful, then product deleted successfully with the data. If not, then error deleting the product. And here I'm going to call this function with the respective product ID. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.